Hello. Careers Wales is proud to become accessible to the deaf and BSL community. Careers Wales' vision is to create brighter futures for the people of Wales. Through our Careers Wales and Working Wales services, we offer inclusive, impartial careers guidance and coaching for young people and adults. Our partnership with SignVideo will enable the deaf and BSL community to contact us for an initial discussion about their career support needs. We will then arrange further ongoing support as necessary. To get in touch with Careers Wales through SignVideo, there are two options. You can use the SignVideo app or call us from the SignVideo website by searching for Careers Wales in the Sign directory and pressing on the Careers Wales button. We're looking forward to meeting you.